All right, we're here at Beaches Negril in Negril, Jamaica, and we're going to take a look at a family concierge suite. So come along with me. So as you come in, you got your king bed, and then you got a daybed and trundle for the kids. So this actually pulls out here at the bottom, and you can sleep. Another trial here, and then you can tuck it away during the day, so you've got a little bit more space in your room. It'll come over, you got your beverage area, you got all your drinks, sodas, water, juice. Alcohol is available on request since this is a beaches resort. And they are family friendly. And then we'll come over here to our bathroom area and closet. So there's lots of storage in this room. You can stick a lot of suitcases under your bed, that kind of thing. And then once you come in here, you've got a full closet that you can hang up all your clothes. They got robes in here, slippers that you can use, umbrellas for when it rains. They really try to think of everything. They've even got a step stool for the kids for when they are washing their hands so that they're right at that height. Then we've got your toilet and tub in this area here. And then we'll come out on the balcony and show you the view. So this does have an ocean view with it, and you've got nice patio furniture out here. You can kind of sit out at the end of the day and go ahead and watch the sunset right over that beautiful Jamaican beach.